Gaining weight can be difficult, and it can affect your emotions, and it can affect, you know, the way you carry yourself, your confidence. I'm not gonna lie to you, there are times where I just felt like a bar. I didn't want to go out, I didn't want to wear something because I didn't feel confident. Oh, my stomach will be showing, my love handles will be showing, like, you know. But if you don't like something about yourself, you alone have the ability, you know, to change that, to do better for yourself. And that's the mindset I'm carrying for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Livia with the Fro. How you doing? Welcome back, welcome back. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my content. I love you. If you doesn't know it, now you know. I freaking love you guys. So I gained 12 kg in just 3 months, guys. I'm thick. Your girl is bigger. I'll show you guys the before pictures and the after pictures.
So guys, this was me in college. You know, I was working out, got my abs on point. You know, I was always at the gym. I had a routine. I used to work out 5 times a week. This was when I just got back to Nigeria from Mauritius. I was like feeling my body, guys. Look at me. Oh my god. And then this was 2018. You know, I was still slim, still working out, you know, maintaining my weight, eating clean as much as I could. Still maintaining my. I got a little bit thicker because Nigerian food, guys. Nigerian food. 2019, looking like a thick Snicker bar, but I was still working out. So you know, I turned my fat to muscles. I was feeling toned, looking good, guys. Living my best fit life. Guys, look at me. Look at me. Okay. Then you know, the second part of 2019, after I started eating, you know, the love handle started coming out. You know, I became a size 12 from a size 6'8". Guys, look at me. This was the height. Like, I look like I've eaten a cow. Oh my god, guys. I'm sharing my truth. This was my birthday. I was so happy, but like, you know, I felt a little bit self-conscious, but I was trying to have the best time. And then this was like peak. This is 2020, guys. Look at my thighs. Look at my stomach. What?
So basically, 2019 October, things just changed. I was working on certain things, I was expecting certain things, and things didn't work out. And I used to be like this fitness person. I'm always working out. I share my workouts on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I share workouts on Instagram story. Well, I was, and I'm getting back to it.
I was a fitness junkie, guys. Like, I love to work out. I love the progress that it made on my body. It made me feel strong. It like disciplined me because I would wake up, work out, and once I work out, like my day is productive. So it was a lifestyle. And yeah, I used to post on my Instagram story all the kind of workouts I used to do. People used to ask me questions, you know. I was that babe. And I'm still that babe regardless of my body size, you know. It's all about your mind, guys. And you can get back to whatever you put your mind to, period.
But yeah, and I just started eating. I always hear people say, oh, I'm an emotional eater, but I didn't get that until I experienced it myself. I just didn't care again. There was no such thing as portion control. Anything I feel like eating, even if it has 10,000 calories, I'm craving it, I want it, I got it, period. I was just eating. I think I'll insert some images and videos of food, but your girl was eating.
Guys, there's nothing I do not eat. Oh my god. I moved to Lagos for 2 months. So I came to Lagos in October. I just conducted my DIY natural hair workshop in August. And guys, I was eating everything. What is a gym? Huh? What is a gym? I didn't know what gym was. Anything I was craving, I got it. And let's even call it relationship rates because it was just a combination of everything. Like, food just became my life, and I was cooking too. Okay, I made that. The girl can cook, so I was eating everything, and I was going out. I was indulging. Lagos just has that lifestyle. You want to go out and eat. You want to try out the different spots, and yeah, it was was crazy, you know. Shit happens. Okay, food is. Why does food have to be so good? Why does food have to be so tasty, guys? Oh my god. Oh my god. I made that soup too. That's okra. Guys, I was a baby girl, but look at my face. Look at my cheeks. Let's get back into the video.
I was like, okay, my body has always been that kind of body, like I eat and it doesn't really show, but I don't know, my metabolism has changed, man, because it started to show. My clothes could not fit anymore. Like my skirts, I can't zip it up. My dresses, I can't zip it up. That's when it dawned on me, like, girl, you are adding weight. And before, I weighed like 65 to 68 kg, guys. By the time I was done eating and eating away my life, I was 78 kg. That's a whooping 12 kg, guys. Whole 12 kg. My clothes could not fit. And one of the challenges I had, I started wearing shapewear because I felt so insecure about my stomach. My stomach would be protruding from my dresses, and I've always been team abs, team flat stomach, so this was new for me. And I felt very, very, very self-conscious. Like, I was not feeling it. I was trying to insert pictures so you guys see what I'm talking about. Another thing that I noticed, I started getting stretch marks. Like, apart from the regular stretch marks I already had, I started getting new ones, like on my arms now. I don't know if you can see. I started getting stretch marks here, and that's when I knew that, okay, this is real. Like, my body is changing, and I felt so like self-conscious. Like, I actually not depressed, but I was feeling self-conscious. When I want to post a picture on Instagram, I'm feeling some type of way, like, guys, oh my god, I'm fat. Like, I wasn't confident at all. I kept on hoping, oh, people don't notice I've added weight. But you still see some people, thick madam, thick comes. I'm like, thank you. Thank you. Leave it like this, we like you like this. Then opinions from family and close friends, like, I know they are supposed to be supportive, but sometimes some of them like, you've added weight though, Olivia, watch it. I'm like, trust me, I don't want to be like this. I didn't do this intentionally, or did I don't know, but like, their opinions really like brought me down. Like, I know they're coming from a place of love and they just want me to, like, you know, be careful and stuff like that, but their opinions did get to me, and like, I was feeling sad and I was still eating. Yeah, I was still eating. What broke the final straw for me was, like, my knee started to hurt me, and I didn't know that adding weight can affect your knee. I didn't know that was a thing, guys, until it happened to me. My knee started to hurt me. God, I was having so much pain. I had to go get an x-ray, and like, there's nothing wrong with you. And then I did more research, and they're like, okay, weight gain can cause, I don't know what it's called. I had a problem with my knee, and that made me feel like, okay, I need to watch it, and I need to be more active so that I don't cause health issues to myself and anything. I started to notice stretch marks, cellulites on my thighs, on my bum, and I'm like, I don't want this. So guys, I'm currently on another journey to losing the weight, you know. And if you want me to share, like what I'm doing, my steps, my workout, my eating pattern, my eating habits, you know, if I'm waist training, everything, I will share. Just let me know in the comment section if you guys want an update on how I'm losing weight. And I won't lie to you, this quarantine, this lockdown is not making things easier for me, because all you want to do is eat, open the fridge, eat munchies, ice cream, different things, even if you've eaten. But because you're just indoors, like, you're prone to eating more, so it's a lot of discipline. If you guys want to know how I'm maintaining my weight and losing weight and keeping fit, just let me know. Gaining weight is difficult, and I feel like I wanted to share this story with you guys. I wanted to share my experience with you guys. It's difficult, like, it's not easy, and it can affect your mental, but you just have to be positive and love yourself and embrace yourself regardless, because nobody else got you but you. But like, at least make changes. If you don't like something, fix it. That's how I see it. If you don't like something, instead of wallowing in pity and stuff, I'm like, you know, I need to work on myself, because I'm just imagining if small food I ate, I added stretch marks, everything. When I not get pregnant, I forbid. So I feel like I need to start now, so that it's not be another story later. that's it guys for this video. I just wanted to give you a live update on what's going on with me. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, man. Love you guys. You guys get me. I can be free here. I can't speak my mind, right? This is a non-judgment zone. Alright, till next time. Bye.